Hello, my name is Fizi James, that's the name, and today I'm going to be showing you about a alarm clock. Now, first thing I need to say is good afternoon to everybody, all the audience. Now, I am going to be telling you about alarm clocks. I'm going to be telling you something about them. So, you know when you wake up in the morning, when you go somewhere early, like I go to early morning swimming, so I have to wake up very early in the morning and go to swimming in Starbucks. And then, it's beautiful. It's got a handle on. It goes everywhere. And I'll just put it back because it's actually on. And it rings. I can just about ring it, but I can't really because it's not 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock is when I go to bed. Well, I wish it was anyway, but stupidly I have to go to bed at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. And I don't like that my mum always says. Last night we had a lovely dinner. Every night my mum reads me clock. My mum reads me books about clocks. Just see that it ticks tocks every day. Now, my kind of favourite clocks are kind of tick-tock ones. Alarm clocks, basically what I mean. The middle, it's silver. It's so nice. This clock is beautiful, and in the back, it has buttons so you can turn it. It's such beautiful. Tick-tock, tick-tock. The clock is running down the mountains and not going so. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for my show. Thank you very much. Bye. See you later. Bye. Thank you very much. You're a nice audience and you're very nice.